I'm going to show you the top 5 Linux commands every beginner needs to know. Let's go. Navigate to overthewire.org to practice your Linux command skills with me. Honorable mention, SSH lets you connect to another computer and use its command line as if you were sitting right at it, which is exactly what I'm doing when I connect to Over the Wire's War Games. Number 1, ls. That's a lowercase l and a lowercase s. The first command you want to run in any environment to figure out where to start. Number 2, cat. Want to read what's in a file? Use cat. Number 3, cd or change directory. This takes you from one directory, aka folder, to the next. Number 4, ls-a, or as I call it, let's see all. Shows you all the files in a directory, even hidden ones. You'll thank me later. Number 5, find and grep. I'm not saying they're the same thing, but they're like a tag team duo. Find locates the file and grep digs inside and pulls out specific info. Another honorable mention, use quotes around files with special characters in the name to read them. Use / to read a file with a special character like dash. Questions on how to do something in Linux or think I missed an important command? Comment in this video or email me at secbotscout@gmail.com.